In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively cancel a meeting in Google Calendar, ensuring you communicate clearly with all invitees. Let's dive in and simplify this task together. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Calendar. If you're unfamiliar with accessing it, simply open your web browser and type in Google Calendar in the search bar, then click on the appropriate link. Once you're in Google Calendar, make sure you're viewing the week that contains the meeting you plan to cancel. For this demonstration, we'll be focusing on the week starting August 31st, 2025. Now, find the meeting you intend to cancel. Scan through your calendar events for that week. Clicking on the event will bring up a window containing the meeting details you initially set up, such as the time, location, and guest list. This is where you can start making your changes. Once you've opened the meeting details, look for the option to add a note. This feature allows you to provide context for your cancellation. When you click Add Note, a text box will appear where you can type your message. It's a good practice to explain why the meeting is being canceled and, if possible, suggest an alternative. Keeping your communication clear and polite goes a long way in maintaining professionalism and courtesy. The next step is to change your RSVP status. In the meeting details window, you'll notice your current RSVP response. Change your status to No by selecting the corresponding option. This step is essential because it indicates to other participants that you won't be attending, reinforcing the message of cancellation. After that, you'll want to compose your note in the text box provided. Be concise, yet informative in stating the reason for cancellation and gratitude for their understanding. Clearly articulating the reasons for the cancellation will help avoid any confusion and keep your relationship strong and professional. Once you've typed your message, it's time to send the update to all invitees. You'll find a Send button. Clicking this will dispatch your note along with the updated RSVP status to everyone involved. Make sure to review your message before sending to ensure clarity and accuracy. Miscommunication can lead to misunderstandings, so take those few extra seconds to review. With your message sent, the cancellation process is complete. Everyone should now be aware that the meeting has been canceled and why. It's a simple process, but one that requires attention to detail to ensure effective communication. Always remember, the more transparent you are with your communication, the smoother your professional interactions will be. And there you have it. Canceling a meeting on Google Calendar can be done effortlessly with just a few clicks, helping you manage your schedule and commitments better. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this guide useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy scheduling!